Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prepping. Today we're going to be preparing the Sam's Club Members Mark chicken pot pie. We've got everything that we need assembled here. It is quite simple. You just need your pot pie and a food thermometer. Now technically, according to them, you don't need a food thermometer, but I think it's best practice just to make sure that this is cooked all the way through whenever it's done. So I'm gonna abide by that. First thing that you need to do is preheat your oven to 375 degrees, and then we're just gonna remove our pot pie from the package. Now they recommend that you set this pot pie directly on your center oven rack without any baking sheet or anything underneath of it. I think that could make it a little bit difficult. This is a little bit of a bendy kind of pan that it's in, so use your best judgment. I'm gonna go ahead and prepare this exactly like they recommend, but if you do think that it would be a little bit more difficult, I would say go for the baking sheet. Now we're gonna pop this into our oven. For their recommendation is 1 hour to 1 hour and 15 minutes. They don't give you any guidance on how you know between that time when it's done, so I'm gonna be looking for a golden crust on our top here, and then I'm definitely gonna check our internal temperature. So I'm gonna come back and let you know exactly how long this took in my oven. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right guys, it has been 1 hour and 15 minutes in my oven, and at the 1 hour mark, my crust was still looking a little underdone, so I do think for me it did need the whole 1 hour 15, but we're gonna go ahead and check our temperature just to make sure it's done on the inside. All right, we have reached 165 degrees or more in several different spots. That's typically the standard for internal temperature on cooked items. Now, another thing is I did go ahead and put this on a baking sheet to transfer it out of the oven, but this did leak out of the edges, which did create a mess. So regardless of what Sam's Club puts on their directions, I would highly recommend laying down a piece of foil or placing your pot pie on a baking sheet so that you can avoid getting a mess all over your oven. So here's our completed Sam's Club Members Mark chicken pot pie. If you guys would like to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we'd purchase this again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.